Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to study about built-in functions in C++. Built-in functions are ready-made function. They are part of C++ language. Let's study about some built-in functions. First of all, power function. Let's declare two variable int a, b. Let's say a contains 3 and b is equal to 2. We have to use power function and in parentheses a comma b. Let's execute this program. So it has displayed 9. Why? Because see, a contains 3, b contains 2. So 3 raised to power a raised to power b means 3 raised to power 2, which is equal to 9. So it has returned 9. 3 3s are 9. Square root function is used to calculate the square root of a floating point number. Let's declare a float a is equal to 4.5, not minus a equals. Let's calculate the square root of this function. So ready-made function we just have to call that function. We do not need to write the complete code. So I will pass a here. So it will calculate the square root of 4.5. Let's execute this program. So it has calculated the square root of 4.5, which is 2.12132. Now there are two more other important functions, ceil and floor. Ceil, it will return larger value than the number, and floor will return the lower value. Let's say we have a float is equal to, let's say, 4.3. So cout ceil. Ceil will return, we are passing this variable means 4.3. So ceil will return 4.4. Ceil will return 5. Let's execute because it will return larger value. So it will return 5. Ceil function will return 5 and floor function will return 4 because they contains 4.3. So floor will return lower value, that is 4. So let's execute. So floor has returned 4, ceil has returned 5. Now sign function. Sign function is used to calculate the sign of a given number. So let's calculate the sign. Cout sign of 0.5. So we have to calculate the sign of 0.5. So sign of 0.5 is 0.4794 and so on. Let's calculate the cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Similarly, we can calculate tan, cot and all other functions. Let's two lower to lower is used to convert a uppercase letter into lowercase letter. So let's declare a character. Let's say contains capital A character, and we have to convert it into lowercase. So cout to lower, and we will pass our character variable A here. So it will convert this uppercase character to lowercase. It's displaying 97. Why? See, the ASCII value of capital A is 65, and the ASCII value of lowercase a is 97. So it has returned 97. It means it has converted into lowercase letter. We can typecast it to show lowercase value here. So to show small lowercase letter, so we can typecast this to a character. We have to, so now lowercase letter a will be, so we have lower two lower has shown us the ASCII value of smaller a. So we are converting this ASCII to a character. We are converting this int value to a character. So now it has shown us upper lowercase a because we have convert this into a character. We have typecast this value 97. Similarly, here if we put some lowercase a, and here we type to upper let's execute it. So it has turned a capital A. Capital A is displayed on the console window. Both two lower and two upper show the ASCII value. So we have to convert this int value to a character. So I have typecast it to a character. So it has shown now it has shown capital A. Now scene.get line is used to input a string. So let's declare an array of characters, let's say 50 characters. Cout enter a string. So scene dot get line ch, and how many characters we want to input. Let's say I want to input 10 characters. And in next puts stand for put string. It is used to display the string on the console window. So in this line we are entering a string in this character array, and here we are displaying that string. So let's execute this program. So I have type 10 here, so we can enter 10 character. Only 10 character will be stored in this ch. So let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I have entered 12 characters, but it has only displayed 10 characters. Why? Because we have given the length of 10, so only 10 characters will be stored in the ch. So when we are displaying this character array, so only 10 characters will be displayed because it will only store 10 characters. Here cin.getLine I have provided 10. So notice 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 1 is a 9 character. It has displayed 9 character of, and 1 character is reserved for null character. So in this way we can get a string from the keyboard using this function cin.getLine, and we can display the string on the console window using this built-in function put string. So it will display the string on the console window like this. Okay guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Goodbye.